Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Nginilethele indaba zaku-PSL. Soqala ngeze Kaizer Chiefs and then silandeleke ngabanye indaba ezi-interesting esiyibonile namhlanje bafethu. So uSolomons bafethu right back ku-Kaizer Chiefs okuyi-hero at the moment because of for the past 2 games ukwazile uku-creator ukora even no-creator igoli laphana sekhulumile nemile yalaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs just before igame abazoyidlala ne-Chippa United nge-Wednesday. Uthe is looking forward to igame eChippa United uthi obviously njengoba babuya laphana kuma-CAF Confederations result bafuna ukurefocus laphana ku-league uthi bayazi ukuthi iChippa United i-team enjani and ngeke kube lula ukuthi badlale neChippa United especially away from home so uthi for bona ezi-Chiefs bafuna ukumake sure ukuthi bathola i-3 points laphana nokumake sure ukuthi ba-executor leyo nto leyo to their best of their abilities uthi because of amagame uthi man because of amagame maningi in a short space of time and uthi ke abanaso isikhathi esiningi sokuthi bafocus laphana ku-Chippa United but ke uthi ku-crucial kakhulu noma kubaluleke kakhulu for bona ukuthi bathole ama-positive results mekhuluma like khana ngama-game we-CAF bafethu uthe ama-CAF games ke abanika experience nokuthi bayakwazi ukufunda laphana izinto uthi maningi kama-player laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs athola i-first taste noma aqala ukudlala ku-continental showpiece or ku-continental level uyasho ukuthi kunzima kakhulu ukuthi badlale laphana nanokuthi ama-results awabafavi but ke manje uthi bafuna ukufocusa noma ba-improve mayibuya le competition lena early next year. So uyaqhubeka laphana uthi personally ke yena nje uthi iy'nyanga ezifew lezi zi-right kakhulu for yena usebenza kanzima kakhulu noma usebenza hard uyasho ukuthi nje ubuya kuma-injuries but ke uthi everything manje nje iqala ukufavor iside lakhe, everything is starting to pay off for now. Uyasho nje ukuthi ukuba being out was not a good tie for yena but uthi ujabule kakhulu ukuba involve manje nokuthi a-contribute akwazi ukuyisiza i-team ukukora igoli elihle against ilini Al-Masry uthi nokuthi nje but athole le assist leyo uyasho ukuthi nje uyakuthatha lokho with pride uthi uyafuna ukucontribute even more for i-team uthi hopefully next 2 games before AFCON uzokwazi ukucontribute futhi for i-Kaizer Chiefs bazodlala ngeyi-3 ne-Chippa United and then badlala ngeyi-7 igame yokugcina laphana ku-Betway Premiership just before ivalwa i-Betway Premiership and iyozibuye next year bafethu. uSolomons I don't trust him, I don't fully trust him but ngiyazi ukuthi khona ama-positions amanye abangamconverta kuwo but so far has been crucial to be honest ku-Chiefs laphana bafethu uyacontribute umuntu may-contribute in terms of amagoli kumele umnike lowo plus leyo ukwazi ukumncoma ukuthi okay I see your good work as much as you're not my favorite player but I see that you are working really hard in terms of like trying to improve and helping the team. Ne-Kaizer Chiefs seyikhiphe i-statement bafethu vele laphana ku-website yabo ukuthi njengoba bowuvizitha i-Chippa United and what's to expect and stuff like that. Sikhumbule ukuthi bafethu i-Kaizer Chiefs i-Chippa United ayiyiniki inkinga i-Chiefs. I think the last match I saw i-Chiefs ne-Chippa United is it le Nedbank Cup la i-Chiefs ishaya khona 3 so akusi-team eni-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ama-problems kuwo wonke ama-games abawadlalayo i-Chippa ku-rare ukuthi inike i-Chiefs ama-problems but yeah in recent games futhi but ke mawubheka i-history yabo yesi-Chippa United ke abanika ama-problems but manje Chippa United angiyiboni i-strong especially futhi the way iqale ngakhona i-season manje it's not looking good at all baxoshe o-coach abawu-2 already so I mean like it's not a good side akusi-side eli-strong esingathi singacompete ne-Kaizer Chiefs but on the day you never know because of at the end of the day bafuthu liyaginqika ibhola whoever wants it the most isikhathi esiningi uyokwaziyo ukwathola ama-results laphana ngoba kunzima at times ukuthi uthole ama-results especially against ama-team amancane because of ayamisela lama-team lawa meyodlala ne-Kaizer Chiefs. uGavin Hunt-ke bafethu indaba enkulu ukuthi sebamxoshile noma sehambile laphana ku-Durban City yabona ezinye izinto-ke bafethu ayizibuhlungu because uGavin Hunt to be honest bafethu lo muntu lo okwazile ukuyisave ilokhunjana what is this i-Durban City. I-Durban City ibuya ku-National First Division but already nama-5 wins laphana elikini, ihleli ku-top 8 noma ngithi ku-number 8, ithola ama-results amahle kakhulu. But-ke Gavin Hunt sehambile laphana. I-Durban City ikhiphe i-statement laphana kuthiwa-ke bathi-ke i-Durban City Football Club can confirm that the club and head coach Gavin Hunt have parted ways by mutual agreement effective immediately. The decision follows the discussions between the club board of directors and Hunt concluding whatever bayaqhubeka-ke bayayichaza bafowethu. But khona into abayimentionile bathi i-board believe ukuthi the board believes a new direction is necessary to achieve our performance goals. That's garbage because of ulo Gavin Hunt uyishapeile le team lebuya ku-National First Division, waconvince amanye ama-player awafunayo ukuthi eze, but-ke he wanted more players to compete ukuthi i-team ibe ku-better position. But-ke he was not offered those players. Khumbula ukuthi laphana ku-Durban City futhi besokuxoshwe ubani uMazinyo bafethu, beka-sporting director bekayini some positions laphana le phezulu, but-ke akasekho uGavin Hunt. Coach ene-experience kakhulu ebholeni lase-South Africa, ngisho ngeke astruggle for umsebenzi but sobona ukuthi uzocoacha yiphi i-team. Kumele alinde kuhambe ulona uHugo Broos mhlawumbe kubafana bangamqasha. You never know, it's a game of football bafethu, unpredictable i-game. We look at isinye statement esiphumayo laphana bafethu ukuthi i-Chiefs ama-player babheka ama-player because of ama-player injured awu-2, uCross nolokhu njani noSirino bafethu, abazi ukuthi bazoba fit na for igame le Chippa United. I-technical team-ke bathi izosebenza close nabo ne-medical staff uku-assessa ukubheka ukuthi ama-injuries kaGustin Sirino, ama-injuries kaGustin Sirino noCross ukuthi bonke bobawu-2 laba abaphume before 15 minutes of the game or first 15 minutes of the game against iZamalek bazohlala ngaphandle for isikhathi esingakanani, njengoba i-team i-prepare for i-Chippa United, igame crucial ebalulekile kumele bazame ukuthi bathole ama-points khona. Ezinye singazimenshina-ke, what can we really mention bafethu, because of I think I can dive to izinto ezi-different laphana sibone. ISAFA, okay, ngishilo izolo le ndaba yeSAFA ukuthi iSAFA ayikhokhelanga ukhelo laphana kuSAFA. Kwayibonaphi 3 months players not getting paid iy'mali zabo. Hayi bafethu, iSAFA kumele i-improve ngale nto lena yakulokhunjana bafethu yaku-FIFA World Cup kuzoba no yaku-AFCON kuzoba nama-strikes before competition iqala because of abadlali bazofuna iy'mali zabo, but isithemba ukuthi bazokwazi ukuyi-solve before i-tournament iqala laphana bafethu. Even okay, going to i-DDC challenge, i-Kaizer Chiefs yiyo bafethu ne-game in hand because of ilaphana eNgilandi manje ihleli ku-number 5 ina-20 points, u-number 1 Orlando Pirates bana-31, but Orlando Pirates, Sundowns nawo wonke ama-teams alaphana phezulu adlale ama-game more, but kakhona amanye adlale boma-12 games akusiyi-Chiefs kuphela, but-ke mangibheka ama-teams alaphana ku-top 5 i-Chiefs kuphela edlale ama-game, edlale 1 less game. Mayingawina mayibuya sobona ukuthi ama-game wabo bazowashejula kanjani, possibly next year or so, but yeah. Abanye bafethu singaba-congratulate i-Stellenbosch undefeated laphana ku-CAF Confederations Cup, uhleli phezulu laphana ku-number 1 bana-4 points in 2 games, yi-win first game and then second game badrowile away from home laphana eZanzibar if angilenzi iphutha. Omunye singamenshina bafethu uNeo Maema ushaya igoli elihle kakhulu laphana iSimba, i-team yakhe meyishawa away laphana ku-CAF competition, u-CAF Champions League. Congratulations to yena uNeo, kusho ukuthi uya-adapter kancane kancane laphana bafethu, he'll get there. And then ama-man of the match engiwabonile man ku-Betway Premiership for the past weekend, ubani ulo bekadlalele Orlando Pirates, uKatlego Otladisa for Marumo Gallant, and noRelem Mofokeng engimbonile naye one of the biggest performers of the day. Because of iMarumo Gallants idlalele game yabo njengoba ba-preparela for i-Orlando Pirates igame enkulu ezodlala this weekend. Kazi ubani ozoyiwina i-Carling knockout. Obviously i-match bafethu ifavor Orlando Pirates, but iMarumo Gallants they have A point to prove, ngapha i-Pirates they have a score to settle bafowethu. Why ngithi a score to settle? Because Marumo Gallants early this season iMarumo Gallants yabashaya, so kumele bakwazi ukubuya as i-Pirates babonise ukuthi hayi ba-rectify leya mistake leya esiyibonile bafowethu yokuthi babashaye ngama-last minutes laphana. So izinto lezi akumele bayalungisa laphana ku-Orlando Pirates ukumake sure ukuthi bayawina i-Carling knockout. But ucoach ona-28 years old uqale kahle kakhulu laphana ebholeni lase-South Africa in terms of ukuthola ama-results against ama-team amakhulu. But sobona Cape Town City yenza kahle kakhulu bafethu laphana ku-NFD noma ngithi kumtsipes championship after ukungatholi ama-results a-right a couple of games mayiqeda ukuqala isizini. Ubani u-Emil umfana omncane laphana exciting uyakwazi ukuthola ukushaya nama-assist-ke laphana bafethu for i-Cape Town City bashaya ama-Taxi 3-0 away from home laphana ePitori. uNjabulo Ngcobo i-former Kaizer Chiefs defender, former defender of the season naye ukwazile ukuthola igoli. So interesting times bafethu. Masibheka manye amagame iPolokwane City idlale ne-TS Galaxy badrawile isiwele edlale ne-Chippa United lawo match iphele nge-draw. No-goalkeeper omude laphana we-TS Galaxy naye uthole i-man of the match kule match le bebayidlala. Njengoba bengishilo ukuthi uRile Mofokeng naye uthole i-man of the match. So yibo abadlali abaperforme kahle kakhulu laba nge-weekend esingaba nothisa ukuthi okay badlalile. But-ke siyazi ukuthi ze-Orlando Pirates abe-Orlando Pirates big news ukuthi yibo bafethu abahlele phezulu bafethu esicongweni ku-Betway Premiership. Ngicela uyibamba lana okwamanje danko bafethu, ngicela ningekhohlwe ukulike and subscribe, making sure ukuthi i-page ifike ku-15,000 subscribers.